Alright, so here is my classroom. Here's the announcement we had to make, and here in the classwork, right here, I have my question, and it is, who was the first person to sign the Declaration of Independence and why? Here I have the picture document, which is a picture of a couple of the men working on the Declaration of Independence. And then here I have a video called What You Might Not Know About the Declaration of Independence. And then here I have a website that leads you to the transcript of the Declaration of Independence. Here is the short assignment I created where my students would have to write a paragraph response about how writing and signing the Declaration of Independence was an act of treason.